Okay guys, welcome to Rogue Episodes, another vlog. So today we have here with us Delton Mali, my 1 year senior. So he bought this beautiful machine today, Apache RR310 BS6. As you can see, wait, let me switch the gear. Here you go. So he just took out the bike yesterday. As you can see, it's just 115.1 kilometer. Only urban mode. I was riding my R15 and after that I sat on his bike and I don't know, man. Once I sat on his bike, my bike was feeling like a toy. But it's normal after this guy has a lot of power, right? There are the beautiful bi-LED. As you can see, this is the latest color scheme, na? Latest color scheme BS6. कितना पड़ा?
285.
Okay, so
I didn't finance on HDFC, so it was around 35, 40.
okay, so he financed the bike. He gave like 70-80% down payment. So for him it cost like 340, right? 3,40,000. But if you are going for the on road, then it will cost you like 2.8485. As you can see, this bike. We'll give a short ride review too. Like I'll ride it a little bit for you guys. I'll tell you the difference. And for starter, I'll just say that when I was riding it in, I think, second gear, I just pulled the throttle a little bit and the front tire was about to lift. So you can just feel the power difference, man. So check out the bike. We'll do a detailed review later on after he completes 1000 kilometers. For now, this is it. Congratulations, bro. Ride safe and ride hard. Right. Small video on the meter console of RR310 BS6. Just check out the features. These are the ride modes, trip mode. Oh, sorry, trip details. My vehicle. You will get the vehicle info and preferences. What do you get in preferences? Okay, so you also have the Bluetooth connectivity here. Display setup like the graphic information, custom widget and speed alert. You can set it right to whatever you need. What happens if the speed alert you set suppose on 100 km per hour? Will it like cut down the throttle or what?
No, whenever it goes to like 100 or 80, it will show you here speed alert.
Yeah.
You can see here.
So it will just alert you that you are crossing your set speed. Yeah. Okay, and you can also see, we can see here the range. This is a very good feature, coolant temperature. But about the range, mostly we get this in high-end bikes and cars, right? But you get it in here. I think even the Duke don't have this range feature.
Yeah.
So we have it
the
here.
accurate range.
Okay. And what else?
Custom wise,
Widgets and
speed alert.
does it have any more below?
No.
Okay. Can you back it? Ride mode, so it is locked.
Yeah,
There is no issue, right?
Vehicle service.
Okay, what you get in performance record? Acha, speed. Show me your higher speed. You bought it yesterday, right? Nice, bro. 137 on the first day. Not bad. Okay, bro. So, okay, you can also set best time for street or not track. Track riding. So that's it, guys. On the speedometer, there's a lot of more features. I don't know what. So whoever is planning to buy this vehicle, it got a very beautiful speedometer. As you can see, they look beautiful.
Day trip meter. You can set everything.
Yeah, you get like 3 trip meters. What is about this day trip meter?
Day trip meter is
Like, is it according to the time?
whole day how much you ride, you ride.
Okay, so it gets recorded every day.
Yeah,
You can just
you can
check it
see
here.
All details you will
So
get.
these details you
This time
get.
you have ride. This much average speed. This one top speed. This one your fuel consumption.
Okay,
So
guys. So as you can see, you can literally get the full information
covered.
of what your bike
Today,
did the
it's
whole
all
day.
about today.
So this is for today's total time travel 2 hours.
2.27.
And even today he did 122. Very good. You already consumed 2.7 liters.
Average speed 35 because I was stuck on highways most of the time.
Yeah.
Oh no, highway traffic most of the time.
So that's it about the speedometer, guys. let's meet on the small ride that we'll do.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to ride Apache RR310. Let's go. So the first thing you notice after you sit on the bike is the weight, like when you lift it off, it's a little heavy, but once you ride it, it goes like butter. And just look at me, like I'm on second or third, fourth gear right now, and no matter how low your RPM is, you just need to twist the throttle a little bit and the bike just wants to pull off real hard. And for your information, this bike is just in urban mode now, so you can just imagine when it will get its full potential. Once the first service is done and the sports mode is unlocked, I'm just waiting to try this bike after that. I'm really having the feeling that it will be amazing once the sports and track mode are open. But for now, even for the urban mode, it is very aggressive. Like, you can ride it well. If you want, then you just pull the throttle and it goes off, but you can also ride it normally in urban mode. And one thing I wanna say about this bike is the braking, man. They're amazing. That's it guys, we'll do a detailed review later on. See you again.